of artificial intelligence, or also called AI. AI is basically when machines are trained to perform, think, and learn like humans. And we already use AI every day without even realizing. For example, when YouTube suggests videos according to our algorithm or recommendations, or when we use Google Assistant, ChatGPT, or when Google gives answers, or when our devices unlock with our face recognition, with scanning our faces. So these all things are AI powered and we use them almost every day. In the future, AI will become even more advanced. In hospitals, it can help doctors to find diseases earlier, research about them, and unlock treatments for them as soon as possible, so that they don't have to panic at the deadlines. And it can also lead to the reduction of deaths. And it can also provide personalized education, that every student has their own AI tutor which understands what exactly the student is struggling with. And it might also replace some jobs that have repetitive work. For example, working in a factory and just producing the same product again and again. So humans might be replaced by AI powered robots that can work faster than humans. But there's one problem, that people might become too dependent on machine AI machines, that they just forget to use their minds, and they just stop putting their efforts. And it can also, this can make them lazy, and they will rely too much on AI devices. And it can affect their mental and physical health. So using AI is not wrong. It's completely okay to use it, but to use it in a bad way or just relying a lot on it is harmful. So 90%, we can say that 90% of its use is beneficial. But if we see from a negative angle, if people use it too much for literally no reason, even when they can do something but they're still using AI, so then it can be harmful. So it depends how we use it. If we use it wisely, properly, and in a balanced way, then it might have a bright future, and it would make our lives better and easier in the future. That's